So what's up, guys? We ain't just gonna gloss over how I got these premium new Yeezys, boy. I got them from a guy at a gas station at a, garage parking lot thing. But anyway, yeah, we flipping the BB Barfly Pro V3. In my opinion, the best trainer that ever existed. But yeah, we're actually just gonna walk up to the lake, and you know what? I'm so sick and tired of having to worry about people. So I'm just gonna, if anything occurs, I'll just wait until the cops come. But no, I'm kidding. I'll be out of here before that would happen. But yeah, I'm just like, whatever. I don't care anymore if people complain. Ooh, that was almost a clean catch, but the bounciness. I like how my shadow's perfectly just below me. But yeah, boys, we're walking up to the lake here. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Danger, hazardous conditions. Do not swim, dive, or wade. Extreme drop off. This drop off ain't that extreme. It's like a 3-foot jump. But you know, it's pretty extreme, guys. Anyway, here's the beautiful lake and my beautiful flipping. Oh, I didn't catch that quite well. But if any of you are wondering how I'm doing after that long world record chaplain yesterday, my finger has made a full recovery. There's some minor soreness in my arm and finger, but you know, it's expected. But yeah, here's the beautiful lake. And people riding on their bikes and sitting on tables and walking in the distance. Ooh, I drop it. Almost at the extreme drop off too. Then I would have had to wait and get arrested. All right. Oops. Sometimes I'm overshooting it. But yeah, man, this BB Barfly has been so good to me, and it sounds beautiful. I just retightened it and oiled it yesterday, and it's impresses me every day. Here goes some more of those world record chaplains, just so you guys know. Definitely, you know, not doing too bad. Here, let's get some left hand flips in there today too, because you might as well just do a little bit of everything, you know. We out here at the lake. What is that in the distance? Oh, people on their golf carts. You probably can't see it on the GoPro, but all the way across there on the other side of the lake, there's like people driving around on golf carts. Maybe that's a course over there. But yeah, let's try a toss. Oof, left hand. All right. Oh, and there's people walking directly up to me, even though there's no trail or course. So just another example as to why I always freak out. But I don't care this time anymore as much. If they want to see me flipping a knife, be my guest. Come walk up to me. Yeah, yeah. That was a clean toss. Oof. Oh, I wasn't gonna get that one perfectly. Yes, sir. Oh, whatever. Nothing can ever be perfect, you know? Oh, come on. Almost had it. Dude, I love this sound. It's so bouncy too. Oh, I really like that side toss, but I just can't get it as smooth. Well, here's the beautiful water and the amazing park. There's the parking lot, and there's the field normally that you see me flip in other videos. The field I go to is over there, but I really always like to just stay by this lake. But there tends to be so many people that pass by here, even though there's literally a viewing spot over there. But maybe this is a popular spot, considering they got a sign here. Yeah. Well, anyway, I hope your days and lives are going well. If you're under the age of 18 and you're attending school, I hope your, what do they call it nowadays? Your hybrid school. I hope your hybrid school's going well. But yeah. I think I'm gonna sit here for a little longer, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because I just want to chill. But I'll see you guys later. If you can ever in your area, get outside, unless it's unless it's snowing in most parts. But even then, get outside, take a look at this sky, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful world out here. It needs to get appreciated sometimes, because you know, when you swiping up on, when you swiping up on Instagram, there ain't nothing like the good outdoors off a screen. All right, well, I'll see you guys.